If you are a merchant or if you're an agent who works with merchants in the area of Connecticut, this information is for you. There is a program that it's called Connecticut Fresh Match, which essentially does this. People who have this benefit, the SNAP benefit, can get more fresh vegetables or fruits for their buck. And we, the CSI Works, are capable of providing that functionality to merchants who utilize Clover point of sale. If you keep watching, I'm going to demonstrate that functionality on a Clover device. But first, let me show you the app. So CSI Works is the name of a company, and the app name is Inventory Plus Plus. This one right here. It provides the capabilities to handle the double up or Connecticut Fruit Match program. And I'm going to demonstrate how that program works. Thank you. So this is the demo portion of the video for Connecticut Fresh Match program, which is available on Clover devices with an app called Inventory Plus Plus. All right, so I'm going to navigate to settings and hit on EBT settings. And so we have two sections here. We have the EBT split, which basically helps us identify items that are EBT approved. And I have, let's say, all of my fruits and some of my grains, right? Actually some of my fruits and all of my grains selected. And I can lead with removing taxes, which is what I have. And then there's the double up program. So here we would need to edit the funding source, right? So this is going to be the organization that a merchant would work with in order to get back the rebates that they're giving to the customers. If you don't have a funding source, you can start here, or you're welcome to send an email to info@csiworks.net, and we can try to put you in touch with the right funding source in your state. This being the demo for Connecticut, we're happy to provide that assistance as well. So here we're talking about items that are qualified for this double up program, which is going to be a subset of the items that you've identified as EBT approved items. So let's go ahead and just say that it's the grains. Yeah. Now here a merchant can do the double up and ratio, right? So right here it's expressed as a dollar for dollar up to $10. It doesn't have to be dollar for dollar. It can be penny for penny, right? Like this, up to $10. So all that means is that for 1 penny they get a penny, for 10 cents they get 10 cents, and they don't have to buy. The minimum is a penny, and so we'll actually run it this way and see how that looks. And then the discounting promo at the moment, really the only thing that's available is going to be the coupon, and so there it is. And the accessibility is just something technical that needs to be turned on, and it looks like it is. We'll go ahead and turn the save, and so now it's enabled. Both of these things are turned on, and we can go ahead and give this a run. So we're going to open the register app, and this would be the experience that a consumer and a merchant would have. So first we go to grab some apple. I actually have some conveniently placed on my, and it actually triggers some discounts, but it is an EBT approved item. And now we're gonna go to grains. That was the other category. Here it is. And we're going to grab our wheat. So here it is, 2 pounds. And so we've generated $14 worth of, definitely enough for us to get a coupon if the payment is with EBT. And let's say that the payment is, we're going to cancel out of this. Let's say payment is with EBT. But this being a test device, we're just going to go ahead and test it the way that it is. And there should still be a coupon. And there it is. There is the coupon. And so now we got it up to $10, and we're gonna go to grains and grab our wheat here. And so now we're just gonna scan this coupon, and there is our $10 off. And this $4, if paid with EBT, will generate another coupon, but if not paid with EBT, there'll be no other coupon. And so again, if you're a merchant in the state of Connecticut looking to have this capability in your store to help the community bring in more business, feel free to reach out to CSI Works or to install the app and give it a try. It's available on the Clover app market. Thank you.